Just a glance at the Royal Enfield Bullet C5 family is enough to transport you back to post-war Britain and India. I consider this family of bikes to be a historical treasure, a rare gem whose old-school charm fits right into the whole old is new again. Retro style making a comeback right now. Except the Bullets aren't retro bikes. They are the genuine McCoy. After the war, the Bullet enjoyed quite a bit of success in India, and in 1955, the Royal Enfield trained the crew of the Indian factory that came online in 1956. The factory has been building 1955 Bullets ever since. Sure, they've made improvements in materials and methods of manufacture, and pitched the points and carburetor in favor of electronic ignition and fuel injection, but the 1955 Bullet is still there, wearing its simplicity and dated design like a badge of honor. Royal Enfield continues the bloodline with the 2015 Bullet C5 family, and each different submodel references a specific part of the rich history of this sled. Join me as I take a look at this charming little bike in its various trim packages.